DeAnne Roberts was there today in downtown Charleston and is live in the Alert Center right now. DeAnne, you did some digging into this case surrounding Timothy Taylor, a lot of complex issues.
Carolyn, the facts surrounding this case is very complex, so I'm going to walk you through it. Timothy Taylor pled guilty to armed robbery back in 2013, and he served his sentence. But tonight he is in jail for the same crime. So how can someone who has served time before be charged for the same crime again? Well, I checked in with Taylor's attorney and former state attorney general, who explains why this looks a lot like what is known to be double jeopardy, but it's actually not.
Free Timothy Taylor!
Family, friends, and supporters gathered today once again in support of Timothy Deshaun Taylor.
We're not going to stop fighting, whatever way this turns out.
Back in 2011, Taylor pled guilty to armed robbery and was sentenced to 2 years probation, and he served his time.
Fast forward 5 years later, the federal government arrests him for the same exact McDonald's armed robbery, but all they want to talk about is Brittany Drexel.
Drexel was a teenager who disappeared while on spring break in Myrtle Beach in 2009. But in 2016, a prison informant sent a letter saying Taylor was involved in her disappearance. That letter resulted in Taylor going back to jail, but for the same 2011 robbery charge.
It became very apparent to me that the feds had no interest in prosecuting him again on the robbery, as long as he would just tell them everything he knew about this unrelated Drexel matter.
And Taylor's attorney, Mark Pepper, says the federal government even testified to that in court. He explained that it's legally possible for someone to be brought in on the basis of speculation.
It is legal to charge someone with a crime in order to squeeze information out of them.
But what about being charged for the same crime? What looks to be double jeopardy is actually called the dual sovereign doctrine.
Federal government is a separate sovereign than the state. And so if the federal government has an interest in this case, the armed robbery case that is, that was somehow left unvindicated by the state prosecution, then they can apply and receive permission to move forward with their own prosecution.
Former South Carolina Attorney General Charlie Condon confirmed.
When somebody does get prosecuted in both systems, it really catches them off guard, because most people think, oh, how can that be done? I've already been prosecuted for this exact same crime, these exact same facts, but it can be done.
So Taylor's attorney says the only way out of this debacle is if the federal government admits that Taylor is innocent. Taylor has pled guilty to the robbery charge again and is facing 10 to 20 years in prison. His lawyer says that's the only way that it could have been handled, because going to trial for a crime that he has already pled guilty to is a lose-lose situation. Taylor is currently awaiting sentencing. Reporting in the Alert Center, DeAnne Roberts. Count on 2.
All right, DeAnne, thank you. You can count on us to follow this story and bring you the latest information on air.